Okay, to replace your filter, you're gonna go ahead and remove the top by loosening your two clamps. You're gonna lift your top off, which contains your HEPA filter. I've already taken the 5 10 millimeter bolts that hold the filter out, and I've removed the old filter. So to replace it, we're just gonna take the new filter, or you can upgrade to a Teflon filter at this point. You're gonna set it down in here, line up your holes, and install your 5 10 millimeter bolts. I prefer to use a ratchet. Once you've installed all 5 of your bolts, go ahead and put your top back on. Put your clamps back on. You're ready to go to work.